1, 2, 3. Get ga ga ga, get ga ga ga, get ga ga ga. I gotta have a beat, I gotta have a song, I got to have you. Welcome to Barbara Campbell, BC Original Rehearsal. This is a new song. I gotta have a song. I gotta have a song because I talk about music heals the soul. It's gonna heal you, music. And that's my mission. Go around the world and spread good music. Good music. Music heals the soul. And we need to heal. We gotta get ready. We gotta get ready. All right, everybody. Let's try it from the top. Our guest, BC guitarist, our star. And we're recording. And we're at Be Live on Air, Barbara Campbell Television. Be a guest, be a member, subscribe, and support me, an independent digital music artist, producer, creator. Get ga ga ga, get ga ga ga, get ga ga. I gotta have a beat, I gotta have a song, I gotta have you. I think I want to do that one more time. Get ga ga ga, get ga ga ga. Get ga ga ga. I gotta have a beat, I gotta have a song, I got to have you. From the top. I gotta have a song. Get ga ga ga, get ga ga ga, get. I gotta have a song, I gotta have a beat, I gotta have you. A song with a beat makes me feel good. A song with a beat, even better. Give me a song, give me a beat, I gotta have you. Fans, supporters of Barbara Campbell music, tune in, subscribe to the channel, and become a member and support me. I'm an independent digital music creator, artist, producer. Music heals the soul. Thank you for tuning in and watching. Have a beautiful day. Till then, you count your matters. Stay in Brooklyn. Bye-bye. Welcome to BC Original Rehearsal. Thank you for joining us.